Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 64 Southgate Street, Unit 2, and this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment on the 2nd floor in Worcester, Mass. And I'm just gonna kind of go around, give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place as I can. Just from the video, going at different angles and showing all the things that this apartment has to offer. So as soon as you come in, the first thing you'll notice is that the whole place has been freshly renovated, pretty much new paint throughout. I believe either new flooring or refinished flooring, but it should be new flooring. You have recessed lighting, plenty of updated and smart fixtures like the smart thermostat, and as well as some handy stuff like we'll see in the kitchen, bathroom areas, and just kind of going throughout. But you have nice shiny floors, and everything feels very new. So that's what I like about this living room. If you know Worcester, a lot of these living rooms have the parlor rooms separated a little bit more. This one's opened up so that it's like a really long living room. You can fit 2 entertainment systems in there, dining room, really whatever you need. Over here we got the first bedroom. So you got nice big ceiling light, nice windows going throughout, blinds for privacy. And this room is kind of equal in size to the other rooms. I would say this might be the bigger of them. You got a nice long closet. It's got the light in there. I believe the other rooms have the lighting as well. They have these accents with the kind of brass piping, which look really cool. And it's got baseboard heaters that go throughout. Then you come into the kitchen, you see this nice floor, nice tiling. And it's pretty spacious, pretty big. Because you don't have to put a refrigerator in that room and it's in the pantry kitchen, this room is really opened up. It can kind of be anything. All the white in here looks super good. You come into the bathroom, you'll see that this has some of the coolest finishes in the whole place. So you have this toilet paper roll holder, soap dispenser, brand new items, brand new plungers, and everything like that. You have a nice big circle mirror with the recessed lighting, nice cabinets and Glacier Bay fixtures. I think it might be Glacier Bay also in the oh no, this is Delta. Kohler. So a couple different ones, but they're using some nice matte blacks for the finishes. Cool backsplash here to put the shampoos and stuff like that. And it's got some air for ventilation as well as the fan that's going right now when you turn on the light. Then you come back out. We can take a look at the pantry now. So if you go in here, you can see pretty much all new stuff. You got the new fridge, new cabinets, new stove, oven, range, hood, and everything here with the nice light. And there's a window here, which is nice too with the blind. So you got kind of all new finishes in here too. Take a look at the fridge on the inside. It's not plugged in right now, but it will be for sure by the time somebody moves in. And then this is the back of the apartment with the other 2 apartments, or the other 2, I guess, rooms in the apartment. So if you look here, this one's definitely a little bit smaller than the other one. So I would say these 2 are probably equal in size, like between each other. So you have this big room here with the closet. Closet's got that dome light in it too. So, this one's easily big enough for like a queen size bed plus a desk dresser setup. And then a pretty much equal one on this side. The closet's on this one. Maybe this is a little bit smaller than the other one. And you got the nice dome light up there. And then same thing with this closet, just having that closet space. And if you come for the showing, you'll see that pretty much the whole building got the renovation. So like, even in the hallways, just mind some of that stuff, but looks very nice in here too. Fresh paint and all. If you have any questions, you can go to Nexus, WOR.com, and go to our for rent page or vacancies page. Set up an appointment with the leasing agent today. And once again, this is 64 Southgate Street, apartment 2, and this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.